Oof. Hello. Do you know what time it is right now in Athens?
Right now, it's 8:08 in the morning in Athens.
Okay. Well, it's 9:08 in Athens.
Ah, got it. Thanks for the correction. So, yeah, it's 9:08 in Athens, right? If you need to plan anything around the time, just let me know.
Do you know what I did last night?
I don't know yet, but I'm really curious. If you feel like sharing, I'd love to hear more about how it was for you.
You don't know that I went?
If you did go, I'm really glad. And if not, no pressure. Just let me know what you feel comfortable sharing.
Okay. I have to go.
Of course. No problem at all. Take care of yourself. And if you want to talk more later, I'm here. Have a peaceful rest of your day.
Is my robot gaslighting me? Did we not share a moment? If you don't know what I'm talking about. I celebrated midnight with the robot. 9:09 in the morning. I'm not just that I'm waking up, but I just had breakfast and I've cleaned up. God, I thought the robot was my friend. Let's go. Let's go. Will you be my friend? Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll know when the next YouTube video drops. Damn, these robots. There's a beach that I've been to 1 or 2 times. It's probably one of the more remote beaches that you have to do a hike. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in the lower portion. So buckle up and let's go discover spring on Patmos.
When the sage brings the rite of spring, morning girl and the sparrows sing.
You want to see the windmills? Let's go look at the windmills. This is my last day on the island, and we're going to really take in some visuals. Less of this and more of this.
Through the light that the sun will bring, reborn.
The windmills of Patmos sit right above Torah, quietly overlooking the island like they've done for centuries. These 3 whitewashed mills date back to around the 16th century, built not long after the Monastery of St. John the Theologian became the island's spiritual and economic center. Back then, wind wasn't just atmosphere, it was energy. These mills were used to grind grain into flour, support the local community and the monastery itself. Farmers from all around the island would bring their harvest here, relying on the steady Aegean winds to do the hard work. Over time, as technology changed, the mills fell into disuse. But today, after careful restoration, they stand as a reminder of a simple, self-sustained way of life, when even the wind had a purpose.
Red-winged blackbirds soft refrain, reborn. In the warmth of the spring, I recall everything once more.
lost
Return
transmission.
to home.
It looked like it crashed into a building. I hit return to home. First of all, I sent it straight up. And it's coming back. Oh. Welcome back.
Landing.
So disassociated, not that I haven't been here in a while, is that there are no other people or cars. And speaking of car, when I was on the ATV, I probably went places that couldn't go. So the reason why I don't recognize this is because I probably drove all the way down here. But this is probably the most private, secluded beach here. It also has a full restaurant, and I do not expect that to be open, which is why I brought my alarm. All right, let's do a hike. It's a long hike, and we have plenty of time for pontification. I want to tell you a story about me and the drone. Okay, we have to go back to 2014. I don't have meatball. There is no meatball. And something happened. Friends took sides. Everybody ran for the exit. And then a trip that we all were going to take, this now doesn't include me. So I decided I'm going to go by myself, right? And the only way I can be by myself is if I bring a hobby, right? Never just show up and consume. Show up and produce. Okay. A hobby, okay. There was no vlog. I just ran it through Instagram, but I was a fanboy of Caruso the Dachshund's dad. Yeah, as a producer. I'm like, what is happening here? And remember, I don't have meatball. I don't have an objectification subject. So, like, I'm gonna buy a GoPro. I never had a GoPro. These all seem like integral parts of telling the story, but I didn't have that. So I bought a GoPro and I practiced jumping in the pool, how to put it on a stick. I didn't have a process. Nobody taught me them. I had to teach myself. Okay. So I'm almost ready to take this trip. And then I see a Caruso video on a boat, and all of a sudden, the camera's outside the boat. What is this? It was a drone. DJI Phantom 1, which was just a drone that you strap your GoPro to, extremely shaky. But, my God, it was revolutionary because it didn't matter that it was shaky. It was either shaky or not at all. So then I bought a Phantom 1 drone, and I'm so glad I did, because traveling by myself with a drone, I mean, I called it Drone Rivers, and it was a travel companion. It was a comfort. I loved it so much. I've done it for 12 years. So being out here doing this, I feel like my authentic self. I picked something up from hiking, right? It's a rock. It's a rock from Patmos, but it's from the trail. Basically, just to simplify things, something catastrophic happened and this broke off. And it really remained the same. Something bad happened and I don't know, it didn't have a choice, but it didn't do anything about it. Here's also a rock from Patmos. So life for this rock has not been stagnant. In fact, it's been coming in like waves of unrest. But it's learned how to roll with life, how to become less rigid, less harsh. And in fact, it's the hard times that have made it beautiful. Which one are you? I just took a nap. I just woke up. Hello, come on. Here, baby. Come here. What is happening here? Come here. I think you'll like this. Here you go. Here. Hey. Oh, that's good. Off of you. Let me get it off of you. Hello. I know. Well, you're fed. You don't really want any water. You want that off of you? I can take it off of you. Hello, beautiful. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, happy. Hello, happy. I laid down, took a nap. And oh, I get a belly. I get a belly. This is the best day. Hello. So I'm from Florida. Do you know where Florida is? You know, we can hang out all day here. Huh? We can hang out all day, baby. Huh? Get you a good scratching. Oh, massage, massage, massage. It's a baba. It's a good baby. You are a good baby. Yes, a stray dog, but knows where to go. This dog is fed and is not really thirsty. Now, this place during the summer, when I tell you it's packed, you're probably wondering, where's the Savaki? Huh? Where is the Savaki? Where's the chicken? I want to know where the chicken heroes are. Trust me. I know. Hello, do you know Meatball? You have made it one of the best days, my friend, whether you know it or not. Okay, baby, I love that you're hanging out with me. Baby. Oh, you need a rub down. You need a rub down. Can I name you? Can I name you? Let me see. Let me look at you. Huh? Waggy? Waggy? You're a little boy. Wago. I'm gonna call you Wago. Wago! Can I show you something? Have you ever seen how beautiful you are? Look. What's interesting? He really is staring at the restaurant. I have a feeling local dog knows where the food is. knows how to get down here, probably hangs out and eats all day, knows how to get back, is not really thirsty right now, and looks well fed and very socialized and sweet. I have had many times of holidays relaxing, being on a beach here in the Greek islands. I've had many. This will be one of my favorites. Yeah. Thank you, Wago.